Hi and welcome to this Shaping Digital Classes tutorials. This tutorial will show you how to use the app QuizWhizzer to create your own interactive and customized quizzes to support personal learning and different learning styles. Specifically, we're looking at differentiation and personalization, topic 5.2 of the framework. This refers to how digital technologies can be used to address learners' diverse learning needs and allow learners to advance at different levels. Let's take a look at how QuizWhizzer can be used to promote this kind of personalized learning experience and also be used as the teacher or as a student to create new ways to learn difficult topics. So first I'm going to show you guys kind of pre-made lesson plan from another one of our projects called Digital Pedagogy Cookbook, in which we created recipes with kind of step-by-step of how you can create a lesson using QuizWhizzer. So here we have the recipe. Use QuizWhizzer to make a set of questions and build your own themed revision game. If you look at the recipe, you see different parts that will help you to create the best lesson using this app. This specific recipe is aimed at educators who wish to make a set of questions and build their own themed revision games. And the target group is all ages. You can make the game for different school-age kids, university kids, or adult learners, whatever fits your specific needs as the teacher. You'll also need some specific ingredients. That includes a computer or a laptop, internet connection, QuizWhizzer. You have to create an account for that, which I'll show you how to do, and students to play the games. These students do not need to be expert digital users, but some sort of basic competence is needed. So as you see in the recipe, it gives you a breakdown on how to create a quiz. And here we are ready to make a game. So you can access QuizWhizzer at QuizWhizzer.com. Either download the app or do it directly on your desktop. You'll have to log in after you create a free account. Since I already have an account, I'm just going to log right in. And you can see your dashboard. You have on the left-hand side your games that you've created, active games that your students have been shared, a question bank, so if you've created all these kind of questions you can use in different games, and then of course public games created by all the other users out there. That's what's great about QuizWhizzer is there's over 5,000 games that already exist, and then reports and avatars. So, to get started by making your own game, you click on the left-hand side, Make a Game. Then you have some different steps. The app really clearly shows you how to follow. The quality score here. You have the different steps signed up so you know what to do to complete your quiz and make it ready for your students. So first and foremost, you choose a background. You can either upload your own background, use one of theirs from Pixabay. I'm just going to use this first one here for the purpose. As you see, I've already created the questions here, but to add another question, I clicked on this here, Add a Question, and then you see the empty boxes. I'm going to write a true or false question on my quiz present simple. So we use the present simple to talk about the past. I would click false because that's not true, and then you save the question. So once you've added all your questions and designed your game, you can share the game and play the game with your students. As you see, the students will be given this access code 38781. Either they have the app and they can just enter it there, or they're given this direct link and they can join. The access link or the direct link, your students would be sent to this page where they can log directly in, create a name for themselves, and get started. So the questions just pop up one by one, and you're able to quiz your students this way. One of the really great features for trainers is over here, the scoreboard and view results. You can always take a look at how your students are progressing and what questions are giving them a hard time. So in summary, QuizWhizzer is a really fun, intuitive way for you to promote different kinds of learning styles and really empower your students in a creative way. Digital activities like online game creation can test knowledge, but also promote this kind of engagement, and it's a great way to have a fun activity for your students to keep learning. Don't forget to take a look at the recipe for this specific unit on QuizWhizzer. There you'll get a step-by-step on creating your own games, and hopefully you had some fun learning how to use this app.